Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Global Income Hub. What if I told you that right now, today, you could start a side hustle using Claude AI and realistically scale it to replace your full-time income within a year? No coding skills, no huge startup capital, no prior experience. I'm going to walk you through 5 specific business models that real people are already using with Claude to make anywhere from $3,000 to $10,000 a month. And some, way more than that. And I'm not going to waste your time with vague stuff like use AI to make content. I'm giving you the actual playbook, the niche, the offer, the workflow, the pricing. Stay through all 5 because number 4 is the one most people completely overlook, and it might be the fastest path to consistent income. Let's get into it. Section 1, the AI Ghostwriting Agency. Income potential $3,000, $10,000 month. Side hustle number 1, AI-powered ghostwriting. And before you roll your eyes, hear me out, because this is not the right blog posts for $10 game. Here's the opportunity. Executives, founders, and LinkedIn influencers desperately need content, but they don't have time to write it. They'll pay $500 to $3,000 a month for someone to handle it for them. That someone can be you, with Claude doing the heavy lifting. Here's the exact workflow. Step 1. You hop on a 30-minute call with your client. You ask them about their opinions, their stories, their hot takes on their industry. You record it. Step 2. You feed that transcript into Claude with a prompt that says something like, "You are a ghostwriter for this person. Here is their voice, their opinions, and their audience. Write 5 LinkedIn posts in their style based on these ideas." Step 3. You lightly edit, polish, and send it over. The whole thing takes you maybe 2 hours per client per week. At $1,500 a month per client, you only need 5 clients to hit $7,500 a month. Where to find clients? LinkedIn outreach to founders and executives. Niche down, SaaS founders, real estate investors, finance professionals. And you become the go-to person in that world. The secret is your positioning. Don't call yourself an AI writer. Call yourself a content strategist for executives. You're selling their time back to them. Section 2, Productized Prompt Engineering. Income potential $2,000, $8,000 month, mostly passive. Side hustle number 2 is one of my favorites because it has a massive passive income component. Selling custom Claude prompt systems as products. Here's the idea. Businesses and creators use Claude every day, but most of them are just winging their prompts. They're getting mediocre results because they don't know how to prompt properly. You can build specialized prompt bundles, think of them as AI workflow kits, and sell them as digital products. Examples of what sells. A complete Claude prompt system for real estate agents to write listings, follow-up emails, and social posts. Sell it for $49 to $97. A YouTube channel in a box, prompt pack for content creators, $39. A full client onboarding and proposal system for freelancers, $79. An e-commerce product description engine for Shopify store owners, $59. Where to sell them? Gumroad, Etsy, your own website, or even as a Notion template. Promote on Reddit, TikTok, and YouTube. But here's where you really scale. You take those same prompt systems and offer a $200 month Done With You membership where you update the prompts, add new ones monthly, and host a community. 20 members at $200 is $4,000 a month, recurring. That's a business. The skill here isn't just knowing Claude, it's understanding a specific industry's problems well enough to build solutions for them. Section 3, AI-powered copywriting service. Income potential, $4,000. $15,000 month. Side hustle number 3. This one has the highest earning ceiling on this list. AI-assisted copywriting. Copywriting, sales pages, email sequences, ads, has always paid well because it directly drives revenue for businesses. A great sales page can make a company hundreds of thousands of dollars, so they will absolutely pay you $2,000 to $5,000 to write one. Here's how Claude changes the game. It used to take a professional copywriter weeks to research, outline, draft, and revise a full sales page. With Claude, you can do a strong first draft in a few hours, if you know what you're doing. Your workflow. Research the client's product, customer pain points, and competitors. Feed all of that into Claude with a structured copywriting prompt. You're directing it like a creative director. Claude produces a strong framework draft. You rewrite the key emotional beats, inject specificity, and add your strategic layer. Deliver a polished, conversion-focused page. You are not just hitting generate and sending it. That's the mistake people make. You're using Claude to eliminate 60% of the labor so you can take on more clients, while still delivering high-quality, human-refined copy. At $2,500 per sales page and 2 projects a month, that's $5,000. Add a couple of email sequences at $1,000 each, and you're at $7,000 without breaking a sweat. Best niches to start: online course creators, coaches, SaaS companies, and e-commerce brands. All of them need copy. All of them will pay for results. Section 4. AI Research and Report Service. Income potential $3,000, $12,000 month. Okay. Side hustle number 4. This is the one I promised you, the one most people sleep on completely. AI-powered research reports and white papers for businesses. AI-powered research reports and white papers for businesses. Here's the thing most people don't realize. Companies, consultancies, and professional service firms pay thousands of dollars for well-researched industry reports, competitive analyses, and white papers. These documents help them close deals, build authority, and make internal decisions. Writing one of these used to require days of research, synthesis, and writing. With Claude, you can produce a compelling, well-structured 10 to 20-page report in a fraction of the time. What you're selling. Competitive landscape reports $800 to $2,500. Industry trend white papers for B2B companies $1,500 to $4,000. Due diligence summaries for investors $1,000 to $3,000. Monthly market intelligence briefings $500 to $1,500 month retainer. Your workflow. Gather source material, public data, industry news, client-provided info. Use Claude to synthesize, structure, and draft the report. You add expert framing, check facts, and ensure it reads as authoritative. Deliver a branded PDF or document. Where to find clients? LinkedIn targeting VPs of marketing, strategy directors, and PE firms. Cold email works really well here because the ROI is obvious. These reports save their team 20-plus hours of work. Land just 3 white paper clients a month and you're looking at $4,500 to $9,000. Add 2 retainer clients and you've got a full-time income from this alone. Section 5. Claude-powered course and educational content business. Income potential $2,000, $20,000 plus month, scalable. Side hustle number 5. And this is the one with the biggest long-term upside, building and selling educational content and online courses with Claude as your curriculum engine. Here's the opportunity. The online education market is worth hundreds of billions of dollars. People will pay $197, $497, even $2,000 for the right course that solves a specific problem for them. The hard part has always been building the course, the curriculum, the workbooks, the scripts, the slides, the assessments. That used to take months. With Claude, you can generate a full course curriculum outline in minutes, draft all lesson scripts and talking points, create student workbooks and worksheets, write quiz questions and assessments, draft all your email marketing sequences for the launch. Here's a realistic business model. You build a 297 course in a specific niche, say, LinkedIn content strategy for financial advisors. You use Claude to build all the content in 2 to 3 weeks instead of 3 months. You launch to a small audience, get 20 buyers, that's $5,240 from one launch. Then you keep selling it evergreen, build a second course, and start bundling. Or, and this is where it gets really interesting, you offer to build courses for other experts. Coaches, consultants, and professionals who have expertise but no time to package it. You charge $3,000 to $8,000 to build their course for them, using Claude to do the heavy lifting. That's a productized service with huge margins. So let's recap the 5 Claude AI side hustles that can genuinely replace a full-time income. 1. AI Ghostwriting Agency. $3K to $10K month writing content for executives. 2. Productized Prompt Engineering. 2K to 8K month selling AI workflow systems. 3. AI-powered copywriting, 4K to 15K month writing. High-converting copy. 4. Research and report service, 3K to 12K month. The underrated gold mine. 5. Course creation business, 2K to 20K plus years month in educational content. Now, here's the most important thing I can tell you. Don't try to do all 5. Pick one, the one that fits your skills, your interests, and the market you understand best. Then go all in on that one for 90 days. Claude doesn't make you automatically successful, but it does eliminate the biggest bottleneck in every one of these businesses: time and output. You can now do in 2 hours what used to take 2 days. That is an unfair advantage if you use it. If this video helped you, drop a comment telling me which hustle you're going to try. And if you want me to go deep on any of these, the exact prompts, the client scripts, the pricing strategy, let me know and I'll make a full dedicated video. Subscribe my YouTube channel Global Income Hub if you're not already, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.